Hello friends, welcome to Exhort Solutions. In this video, we will see if and else statement. Okay, now we will see first the basic syntax of if and else statement. That is, if if this condition is true, then only the if statement is executed. Otherwise, the else statement will execute. We will understand this with the help of the example. First of all, we will include our standard input output file, that is stdio.h. Okay, after that we will write here the entry point of the program, which is the main function. After writing, we will write here if. Okay, we will write here, give here condition 1. What this condition states in C programming language? 1, it stands for true value. Okay, we have seen here that if this value will be true, then this statement will be executed. We will see. We will write here for the print f, and then we will write here some statement that is we are in the if part. Okay, and semicolon. Else, which statement should execute? Else we will write here printf, then we are in the else part. Okay, so first of all, we know that, oh, there is something wrong. Yes, I am missing here brackets, parenthesis we call it as. Remember, every syntax of the programming should be correct, otherwise we will get errors. Okay, so if and here what is 1, what 1 value indicates? It indicates a true value. If this value is true, then if statement will be executed, that is printf this. Otherwise, the else part will be executed. Let's see. Now we will run the code. After build succeeded, we will run the code, and now we will see the output of the following program. Okay, but remember that we also have a nested if and else loops. We will study them further. See, now what we get here, a result, we are in the if part. Okay, what here? We are in the if part. What if I write here a 0? If I write here a 0, then the else part will be executed. See, the else part will be, we are in the else part. So I think this is the better example of understanding if and else statements and how it works. We will see various types of programs in coming lectures, but this is the basic understanding of if and else statement. Hope you understand this program. Okay friends, thank you.